Chitra and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am creating this look. This is a classy makeup look tutorial. So if you like this look, please keep on watching. Firstly, I am going to tie up my hair. I am using Zoe toner. I'll spray all over my face and let it dry for a few minutes. Now I am using Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer that contains vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. I am massaging all over my face for half a minute. Don't forget your neck area too. Now starting up with the eye makeup. For my eye base, I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer. It's in the shade Ivory. This is the best concealer under budget. Now I am setting up the base with the Inside HD powder. Now I am taking this Maybelline gel liner and creating a small wing liner. Now I am blending it off with a brown shade of Mars Eye palette. Now I am creating a half crease on my crease area and same blending it off with brown shade. Now using this Faces Canada compact powder and applying on the left base area. Now my eye makeup is almost done on both the eyes. Now I am going to apply lashes. I am taking these Swiss Beauty lashes. They are under budget and give a natural look. Finishing it off with my favorite Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Now starting with my face makeup. First I am applying Inside 3-in-1 primer. That helps to create a barrier between our skin and makeup products that we use. I am using this Inside Corrector palette on my pigmented area. Moving on to the foundation. I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer under my eyes and all the points that I want to highlight. Blending all with the beauty blender. Now again I am using Inside Loose powder for setting up my under eye area to prevent it from freezing and brushing it all over my face. Now I am using Kajal from the brand My Glam and applying it on my waterline. Now taking a brown shade and smudging it. I am using this Swiss Beauty blush palette for blush, contour and highlighter. I am using this old palette but Swiss Beauty has launched new palette. You can also use that. I will give all the products link in description so you can check it out. Now for lips, first I am using Swiss Beauty lip liner. It is in the shade nude brown. Now I am using Love Earth lipstick and coating it with the Glam 21 gloss. I forgot to fill my brows, so I am filling it now with the Swiss Beauty one. It comes with a brush and gives a natural finish to my brows. Now I am just setting my makeup with the Swiss Beauty setting spray. So this is the final makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you liked it, press the like button, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.